Hi there, this is Zubair Hyderabad is the place I reside. I work in Freelancer. I'm a computer engineer. Usually, my day starts with the notifications of the task that I got from the Freelancer. We call the customers, we got the part for the same from the authorized partners. When we receive the part, I call the engineers and they visit my place and I assign them tasks. So once I have assigned them, they take the part from my place and they went to the customer and they troubleshoot the issues there. Once the job is completed, they give me confirmation from the user place that the job is done, and once I take the confirmation from the user, I close the such case. Previously, I was an engineer also. I was working in the field providing a quality support to the customers' issues. Once the customer issues was resolved, I was supposed to return the part to the company again. Now I have been appointed as an dispatcher in here. I take care of all the things like dispatching the parts, assigning the cases. The engineers are well qualified. Sometimes they face a complex or a critical issue. I take a remote session over my unit and I try to resolve the issue of the customer. While working with Freelancer, I'm having plenty of time for my family, for my cat. His name is Jack. And I also enjoy the company of my friends. They were a customer once and now they have become my friend. And I used to have some time with them also. And I am having plenty of time. It's not a 9 to 5 job. We can choose whenever we want. Definitely, I would like to recommend this job to others because there is no limits in Freelancer.